Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today we are taking a look at a bunch of PS5 controllers, specifically 3 of them that all need TLC. I think what's going on with them is they have analog stick drift issues, so today I got 10 of these PS5 Hall effect sensors, and these are the Ginfull V5. I'll leave a link to them down below. I got them from AliExpress. These are supposedly the best ones currently out there, so I'm going to install them. We're going to go through the process and see how good they are, I suppose. I don't have anything to gauge it against, but I guess we'll gauge it against the drift in each one of these. So let's take them apart and see what's going on with them. Okay, so before I take them apart, I'm going to look at the white one first. I actually want to see what the drift is currently on this one. So I'm going to plug it in. We're going to power it on. And if we take a look on screen, we'll just make sure all the buttons work. I was told the left analog stick drifts, but maybe I'm wrong. I mean, 8.0 doesn't seem too bad, but it is slightly, there we go. Oh yeah, it's going up. Looks like we have a 9.2 and a 7.8 on the, there we go, 9.5. So it looks like we're getting over 9 here on left, over 8 on right. So I guess that's a good test to see if we can get lower with the Ginfull. So I'm going to take this apart and we'll swap out the sticks and see what's good. And while we do that, I would like to say thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWay, the premier destination for top quality printed circuit boards. In a short span, PCBWay has become the go-to choice for seamless online ordering, rapid prototyping, and unparalleled customization. From hobbyists like myself to industry leaders, PCBWay has earned the trust through its commitment to precision and reliability. Cutting-edge technology and a skilled team ensure that every PCB meets the highest standards. Beyond circuits, PCBWay fosters a vibrant community of creators, turning ideas into reality. Join the innovation wave with PCBWay, where quality meets ingenuity. Alright, so I have it in my holder. I think I'm gonna pre-tin the points with leaded solder. As much as I love to blast things with 1000 degrees Celsius, probably the safest bet would be to just pre-tin with lead, bring down my melting points, probably hit it with hot air from the top, wiggle it off, and then I'll decide if I want to clean the pads and install it that way, or if I want to just heat it back up and plop the new one in. Okay, so we got the controller put back together enough, I'm guessing, to test. So we're gonna first head on over to the gamepad tester website again. I just want to see like how crazy it looks right now. So I'm assuming it's gonna look crazy. And I'm gonna hit the connect, and as we see, it's there. And our circularity is gonna be 20%. and 18%, which is expected. So I'm gonna head over to the DualShock Tools GitHub calibration, and we're gonna connect, and we're gonna do the sensor. We're just gonna follow the instructions. Cool, and so this is just with censoring it. So if we go to test circularity, we have 19 and 17, but we're centered. So I'm gonna calibrate stick range. When I'm hit done, I'll just save the changes. And if we check, with just one pass, I'm at 6.52 and 8.17. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I got the controller all put back together. This is what it looks like. You probably just saw it up there, but I kept messing around with the calibration, and I believe I got both down to about 7. So 6.8 on the left, 7.1 on the right. I did a whole bunch. I went this way, this way, this way. I found the best was to use my index and my thumb when it was all together and just slowly go around. Yeah, that's the final result. So not too bad. I think we had 9 and 8. It's more circular, I guess. So yeah, all good on this one. So on to controller number 2 and 3. I'm not gonna go through this in depth for the other two. I'm just gonna time lapse it. So here is a time lapse. so controller number 2 is done. Did the same thing. We're getting 6.6 on the left, 6.9 on the right. That seems like the best I'm gonna get it. Same process, went around this way, went around this way. Did top right, top left, bottom right. Basically I did it like 4 or 5 times and I brought it down from 20 something percent down to 6.6. Doesn't seem like I'm gonna get any better, which I think overall results are better than the original. So on to controller number 3. Alrighty, and here is controller number 3. Very interesting, pink one. As you see, I got 5.8 on the left, 4.6 on the right. Yeah, I used from the same batch, and this seems to be the lowest one, so maybe luck of the draw on this one or something. But yeah, that's all 3 controllers working. Drift is gone, pretty good. I guess average error on both. All 3 got lowered, so yeah. That's kind of it. If you thought this was useful, leave a comment down below, like, comment, subscribe. That's always useful, I suppose. If you have any questions about these Hall Effect sticks, let me know. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.